If you're starting a new software project, having only a rough idea of what you want can lead to confusion, wasted time, and missed expectations. That's where a Software Requirements Specification, or SRS, comes in. An SRS is a detailed document that outlines exactly what your software should do, how it should behave, and the constraints it must follow. It acts as a blueprint for your entire project, keeping everyone from developers to stakeholders on the same page. To write an effective SRS, start by creating a clear outline or using a proven template. Define the purpose of your product, who will use it, and clarify any key terms or acronyms. Next, break down your requirements into functional needs, like features and user interactions, and non-functional needs, such as performance and security. Don't forget to include any external integrations or dependencies. Set realistic milestones to keep your project on track, and always review your document with stakeholders to catch any ambiguities. By following these steps, you'll ensure your software project runs smoothly and meets everyone's expectations.